Hello, and thank you for requesting information on my post or one of my team members' posts. What I'm going to do right quick is take you through here and show you this money that we're making toward our bills, guys. This is amazing. We're dealing 150% with crowdfunding. This is something that any and everybody can do. How many of you guys know people that do not like paying bills? Well, what you're going to do is introduce them to the Free Life Network, and they're going to also learn how not to pay their bills anymore and receive money coming in every month. Now, this is my account. This is my new account in Free Life. You see right there, that's me. I'm Max Wealth. That's my username. And as you can also see, I'm active. And once again, this is my website, Cashmere Rich. And I have 5 money pages that's being paid into. That is rent, mortgage, car loan insurance, utility bills, life essential costs, and I'm receiving money for my lifestyle. So I have 5 pages up and running. Now I only have 12 people on my team, right? Right now there's 12 people on my new team. But just look at something. With just 12 people on my new team, I am receiving $6,000, guys, per month. $6,000 coming into my house every month, and that's only with 12 supporters, guys. Let me tell you how that's possible. Because each one of my supporters are paying $500 a month because their supporters are paying $500 a month. This is amazing, guys. And what's even more powerful is that the $500 payment that my team members are paying, right, and that their team members are paying them, does not come out of our accounts. It does not come out of our pockets. We've structured this thing where no one actually pays the residual payment. It's always paid for them by their first member that come in. And why would they pay it for you? Because their first member is paying them. So money is just rolling up here and we're dealing with crowdfunding. So this is my account. As you can see, $6,000 in donations coming in every month, excuse me, toward my bills. Now, you see, I only have 12 donors. That's not a lot of people, guys. You guys know 12 people or 5 people or 2 people that would love to not pay bills, right? And I have 5 pages that's up. That's rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utility bills, life essential costs. That's the food and the dishwashing liquid and all of that stuff, as well as money coming in from my lifestyle. So imagine joining something for $110 one time, guys, and being able to make $6,000 per month. And that's low. I'm just getting started. What happened when that number doubled from 12 to 24? That's 12,000. It never ends, guys. Now, what I'm going to do, I'm going to take you over here to our main page, which is the Free Life Network. And what you're looking at right here is how all of this is possible. The Jobs Act. This is when crowdfunding got its tax base and everything of that nature, right? So I'm going to read through this for you. Let me move myself out of the way. Okay. The Jobs Act, Jumpstart Our Business Startups. That was created to help us, guys. It was created to provide an ease of access to money for small businesses, startups, and individuals. The bill also helps entrepreneurs find investors through online crowdfunding, allowing all Americans to invest in new companies and people. We can now invest in others. That's what we're doing with the Free Life Network. For more mature companies, the bill reduces the red tape involved in publicly selling stock. For individuals like us, it allows us to help each other to grow and prosper. Now, I'm not going to run through all of this. I'm going to go down here and get to the money. Now, how do we do this? We use our phone because within my phone, I have a lot of people, guys, either my phone or Facebook, either way is mobile. I'm able to find people that would love to not pay bills anymore, guys. They're right here in my phone. I go to my contact list. I send them a message. Hey, how would you like to join something to help you with your bills? Now, this is not a Facebook program. This is not any of that MLM or anything like that. This is something that we're using to help people to pay bills. So if you eliminate all of your bills and got positive income coming in, guys, it is amazing. So let's just think about it. If you got 10 smartphone contacts, 10 people in your phone, or 10 people on Facebook that would love to not pay bills anymore, you're looking at $5,000 coming in per month. 5,000. So as you saw on my page, I have 12 people, right? And when I tell you it's $500 a head, that's how I'm up to 600 or rather $6,000 per month. But with just 10 people, guys, you're up to $5,000 per month. With 20 people, because it's going to continue to grow, you're at 10. With 30 people, you're at 15 per month. With 40 people, you're up at 20,000 per month. Guys, it's going to grow just like that because as people see others saying that they're not paying bills and you have payment proof, let's just look at this. When you have payment proof, Yeah, people definitely want to get involved with something like that. So let's go down and take a look at the numbers. This is our training website, and I'm going to show you how fast that you're going to be able to do this. Now, how we do it is this. We build power lines. A power line consists, let me go up here and show you. A power line consists of you working with, right? Just simply working with 6 people on each power line. So that means that as I bring in 6 people, just 6, and my 6 people say that this is a great opportunity and they began to build with me, that means that now I'm receiving $500 per the 6 people. Wow. Why would they do it? Because they're receiving $500 from everybody that they're working with. It's super simple. We build power lines. Now let's go back down and look at how we're going to do this and make the money. Let's build power line number 1. Now power line number 1 is your power line that's going to instantly put $2,500 into your account. Instantly getting $2,500 into your account, right? So look, what you're going to do is this. You're going to join. You're going to pay. And these are the pages we're going to be, looking at eliminating the bills off of. Rent, mortgage. Let me move myself over again. Rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, utilities and services, life essential costs, and lifestyle. Now watch how we do this, and I'm going to show you how to do it absolutely free. I'm going to show you how to do this absolutely free. First thing you're going to do is you're going to come in. You're going to pay $100, right? Because you're going to be setting up your portfolio just like your sponsor has their portfolio. See the portfolio? It consists of rent, mortgage, car loan, insurance, etc. So you're going to start building your portfolio. Now, what you do is you send $100 to your sponsor. When you send $100 to your sponsor, they're going to activate your rents and mortgage portfolio piece, your component. When they activate the rents and mortgage component, now you're set. You're ready to start receiving $100 payments toward your rent and mortgage. Now, what you're going to do is just like I said, go out there and share this with just 6 people, guys. Just 6 people. It could be Facebook, Twitter, Instagram. It doesn't matter. Just share this, your contact list, and your phone. Share this opportunity to be bill free with 6 people. When they come in paying you at $100 each, because now you're receiving the donations of $100. When they do that, that's going to be $600 in your pocket. Now, watch you get your money right back and start doing this absolutely free. Now, you just collected $600. From the $600, you're going to upgrade, bam, into the next portfolio piece, which is car loan and insurance for 100 of the 600, banking 500. Did you just get your money back? In one move, you got your money back and you're here for free. Let's continue through the process now. Do you see this working? Yeah, of course. So now you have the rents and mortgage, car loan, insurance. You have 6 new members that's donating to you. Now what's going to happen is your 6 new members are going to duplicate that effort, upgrading into the $100 car loan portfolio piece. That's going to be an additional 600 coming to you. From that 600, once again, pinch off 100. Send it into the utilities and services page of your sponsor. Now he's going to activate your utilities and service page. Bam. You're going to once again bank what? $500. Guys, look at that. You're 1,000 up already from a $100 investment. You're here for free. Your first member is going to be the one that pays your residuals, so you don't have to worry about it. Now, when your team members duplicate that effort, coming up at $100 into the utilities, right? That means that same 6 people, that's another 600 coming in, pinch off another 100, send it into your lifestyles, right? Your life essentials. This is the money for your food, dishwasher, liquid, etc., right? You're going to bank another 500. Wow. Here come your team members duplicating your efforts because duplication is the key. Going into the Life Essential page 400, time them same 6 people, another 600 comes in. And they're all doing it just like you. They're already in profit mode. Nothing is coming out of their pockets. When they upgrade for 600, right? When they get the 600, they're going to upgrade for the 100, banking another 5. Now, this is where it gets interesting. Now, you're going to take that, since you're into lifestyles, right? Your team members are going to duplicate your efforts coming into lifestyle for 100. There's going to be another 600 coming in, but look at this. Nothing goes out because you own all of your portfolio pieces now. So that 600 goes over into profit. So let's look at what just happened. Your initial investment was returned to you of $100. Your net donation total, you made $3,000. Your monthly residual payment is paid because your first person in has all of the pages also, which covers your residual. They're going to pay that, right? And man, that's 500 that you don't have to worry about, leaving you a total of 2,500 on your first power line. Bam, that was awesome, right? So now you're sitting on 2,500. You're here for free. Your money back in your pocket. Let's build another power line. Go grab 6 more great people. Now you have payment proof, guys. You have this as proof that this thing is working, guys, and I'm there for free. So now go grab 6 more people. Duplicate the same efforts. Now you have nothing else to purchase. So everything now is going to be totally coming in. Look, nothing going out. Bring in 6 people again, another fresh 6, right? That 6 times that 100 is 600. That means that now nothing goes out. That entire 600 goes over into your account. Then those people are going to upgrade into the car loan and insurance because you already got that in your portfolio. That's another 600 coming in from those same 6. Nothing going out. 600 in your account. Continue that progression with those great 6 people until they have all of their pages, right? That means that another 600 goes in up on the last page. That is 3,000 in, nothing going out. Add that 3,000 with your first power line, which was power line 1, where it was 2,500. You're already up to $5,500 per month coming in, plus it was instant payments. Those went in instantly, guys. Let's build another power line. Get another 6 people because you already got 55 coming in. You already got, your 6 people, your 12 people over there. Guys, this is amazing. So now look at this. Bring in a fresh 6 on power line number 3. They're going to come in taking possession of your rents and mortgage page. Time those 6 people is another 600 in, nothing coming out. $600 in your bank account again, adding to the previous. Now, continue that progression with those people until they have all 5 of their pages in their portfolio. That's another total of $3,000. Each power line minus power line number 1. Power line number 1 is always 2,500 because 500 covers your residual. Every power line after that is $3,000. So there's another 3,000 added to your previous power line, which was power line number 2 of 5,500. Now you are up to $8,500 per month coming in, and you received instant payments. Was that worth the $110? Of course it was, guys. And guess what? No one wants to pay bills, so you're going to never have a problem finding people that want to do this. Let's build the last power line. You build as many as you want, but for illustration purposes only and the sake of time, I only built 4 for you to show you how powerful this is, okay? Now, you're going to come with a fresh new 6. Always new people, always wanting to help more people. Fresh new 6 comes in at 100. Time that $100 time the 6 gives you 600. Nothing coming out of your account because you own all of your pages already. Another 600 in. Like I said previously, continue that progression with that new 6 people till they have all of their pages for another 3,000. Add that 3,000 with your previous power line, which was power line number 3. That gives you a total of 11,005 coming in, and you have not did any work. You're doing it for free. You're here making money, and you're helping people to end their bills. Imagine if you build 20 power lines. You will never run out of people. You will never, during this economy, during this crisis, during this pandemic, you would never run out of people that need help paying bills. You would never meet anyone that will not pay $110 to make this happen, guys. They will pay because this is something that is going to benefit everyone. So I'm going to take you back over here so you can take one more look at my dash. I'm up to $6,000 per month right now. I'm going to keep going. I only have that amount of people in there. I'm doing pretty good, guys, but I want to do better. I want to get that up to the bigger numbers. I want the 20,000 a month, 30,000 a month, 40,000 a month coming in, guys. So get with me or that person that introduced you to this and you requested information. Get started. $110. You're going to get that right back. You're going to be in here for free, making this money with the Freelife Network. I want to welcome you guys in advance to your success. Don't let this pass you by. This isn't another Facebook MLM. It's nothing like that, guys. This is something that I created to help you guys to get out of that bill problem, to be 100% bill free, making money every day. Okay, this is your man Cashmere Rich coming to you live and direct from the Freelife Network. I would like to welcome you to our group, welcome you to our network, and let's start making this money. Let's get you that 2,500 within the next week. You have a blessed one. Take care.